Okay, so world is a jungle raj. Jungle raj means whoever is powerful, वो है तुम्हारा, उसकी बात चलेगी. Now the major oil reserves जो हैं तुम्हारे, they are with USA, Iran, Iraq, I think, Saudi. Now even Russia has got. So now what is happening? This oil is the most demand fuel and most the biggest factor for depending on the economy. Economy इस पे बहुत ज़्यादा depend करती है. So बाकी सब सारी countries what they are doing that they are keeping the oil reserves with them. Even India is keeping like that, but India does not have its own. It's taking from outside. So that's why they are keeping this oil reserves with them. Now what happened recently to US has more oil reserves and Iran was supplying oil reserves to India, China, and many other countries. The biggest importers are China, India, some parts of Western Europe, and South America, some places. So Iran is supplying at very cheap rates, and the USA does not want that, and they don't. Iran is not that much strong, so the USA is putting sanctions on them. They are not allowing them to trade with India and other countries. And recently, you must have seen they have seized and blasted so many vessels of Strait of Hormuz. Last recent seizure, there was 4 vessels going from Iran to Brazil, and they had seized around more than 2 lakh tons of oil or more. So they have uh, actually no concern about that.
Sir,
But
one question, sir.
one second, let me complete, then I will ask. Just write down. So they have no concern realistically, but it is international waters, and they seized somewhere before Panama, and from there these vessels they have taken to Houston. Then the next recent case that Saudi, this market prices are always on demand and supply. So if they increase the supply or they bring more crude, they make more crude from the oil rigs and they extract more oil from the seabed. So the prices will go down. So Saudi, just to increase the increasing demand and to bring down the rate and capture the market, they put lot of refineries because they had lot and lots of money. So they put lot of refineries, and because the supply came up, so the price was coming down and they started giving to everyone. Now Russia has it does not has that much oil reserves, but it has also increased lot of refineries. And to capture the market, it does not has such a good market. But to capture the market, they brought down prices less than Saudi, even if they are going on loss just to capture the market. And this was called oil war or oil trade war between Saudi and Russia just for the prices, and the world was suffering. So recently, you must have seen in the news that oil prices have gone negative, I think
Yes,
minus
sir.
20, minus
Minus
$30 a
25.
barrel.
Yes.
So, anyways, it was just for time being, and presently it is. Yesterday only I saw it is plus $36 a barrel. But if you go 3 4 years back, it had gone up to 60 70 USD a barrel, so it's almost half. So it's the economy, and of course with COVID-19 there was a huge loss of demand, and the oil companies, there is so much oil which wanted to be stored. Even so many oil majors, Saudi, and they just said ki we will pay from our pocket, you just take the oil free, we will give you the transportation and storage this thing also. And India has also ordered 3 4 VLCCs to get the oil to India, because of this trade war, the prices went so low. So this is the present condition. Now the condition is little bit improving and demands are also improving. So the last point in this is that the unrest between your Syria government and the trade of Iran and Syria, that US is opposing because they want to put their people there, and they have put sanctions with uh, through UN and all. And since it is not being followed, so they are doing seizing and all those problems, blasts and all. ठीक है.